We have some personal files on our computer that need to be kept safe, but many of us don't know how to lock a pen drive. Not only pen drive, but also you can lock any file or hard drive. No software needed to do it. This trick is only for Windows 10. So let's get started. First, insert your pen drive in your PC. I inserted my pen drive. This is my pen drive. You can also lock your any files or any drives. I just show you how to lock a pen drive. Click on the pen drive and mouse right button. Then click on turn on BitLocker. After click that, you can see this. Now click use a password to unlock drive. Just check it. After click the check mark, then you need to type password to unlock this drive. The same password typing first and second box. After typing password, click next. Then click on the save to a file. This is your password to save a txt file for your recovery. I just save it my any drive. Click on the next. Then click encrypt used disk space only, faster and best for new PCs and drives. Click on this check mark and then click on the next. Now compatible mode, best for drives that can be moved from this computer, from this device. Click next. After that you all set. Now start. It needed some times because my pen drive has lots of files. It needs up to 10 minutes. In this process, don't close your pen drive because it will be corrupted your pen drive. After finish that, your pen drive is successfully locked. When you open your pen drive, there need to be password to unlock this drive. You can also modify the BitLocker. See that need to typing password for unlock this pen drive. After unlocking your pen drive, you can open it. Now I show how to turn off BitLocker. The same process, manage BitLocker. Here you see backup your recovery keys, change password, remove password, edit smart card, turn on auto unlock, turn off BitLocker. When you turn on auto unlock, then you need password every time to open this pen drive. Now I show how to turn off BitLocker. Just click on the turn off BitLocker. Turn off BitLocker. After clicking that, your pen drive is decrypting BitLocker. It takes up to 10 minutes to decrypting. How did today's video look like? If you like it, you must like and comment. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much if you have already subscribed.